So just the last part on the leaves in terms of polishing it off. We're just going to do two things. If you noticed when we looked at before, the leaves were a little bit too bright and the size was a little too large. So the simple thing is just inside of the particle system on the leaves falling, whether you have it in the scene or you're using it directly from the prefab. The start color, I'm just going to take the start color and take it to a much darker level right here. We'll still stick with a yellowish orange on the color itself, so close to 47, 51, 21. Then we'll take our start size, and like we said before, we'll just half it, so it's going to be 0.1 and 0.2. And then in terms of scale, this is going to scale and fit pretty well directly inside this scene and make it feel more natural. We'll go ahead and hide the cameras here and audio. Alright, so there you go. That kind of give you a good idea of what to expect with your leaves falling and how you can improve them and make sure that they feel like they fit inside the scene.